big 6 sawtooths. It's another little small patch of sawtooth oaks we got. This place don't get hunted a whole lot, and I've only hunted it one time in the last 5 years. There's only about, I don't know, a quarter acre of trees here, but since they thinned this timber, it's kind of growed up a thicket around it, and these acorns are dropping. There's a lot of deer using it here right now. There's a lot of tracks in the road and stuff. The biggest factor in this tonight is going to be the wind. The wind has been out and back really since opening day for the last week and a half. There's been a low that's setting off the coast, and it'll blow northeast and it'll suck back southwest, and it's been causing havoc for me. But I feel good about this evening. So it's kind of overcast, pretty stiff wind when it's blowing, probably 15 miles an hour. So I hear acorns dropping now, so I'll see what happens. This wind's getting good. It's laying down. It's finally starting to stay. I think it's gonna be good this evening. It's about to get prime time. The wind kicked our tail again last night. I had several does come in here, but it just didn't work out. One of them caught my wind, and the show was over before it got started good. But the wind's it's a little bit better tonight, and I'm just praying that it'll stay this way. We got about an hour before these deer start getting up and moving, and we're gonna get settled in here, and hopefully tonight's gonna be the night. Finally. Look, a good shot. Boy, I had to weave that arrow in there. Whew. I didn't want them to get too far this way because that wind. The wind's better today, but it wasn't perfect. I tell you right now, that's the one that busted me yesterday. Angled towards me just a little bit, but I think that was a good shot. It's pretty early. It's only 6:18, exact same time, just about maybe 5 minutes later today that they came in from yesterday. We'll see. 98 pounds. 98 pounds.